What's going on, guys? Kevin here, and today I got a stress test of the 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro. Now we're going to be testing the graphics capabilities of this laptop in comparison to the 2010 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now the only reason we're using the 13-inch MacBook Pro is just for kind of a control group to see how much better the 15-inch MacBook Pro is over it. But with that aside, let's go ahead and let's jump into this video. Now to get some specs out of the way, the 15-inch 2011 model has an Intel Core i7, AMD Radeon HD 6750M graphics, 512 megabytes of GDDR5 video RAM, and Intel HD 3000 integrated graphics. Now switching over to the 13-inch MacBook Pro, it has an Intel Core 2 Duo, NVIDIA GeForce 320M graphics, as well as 256 megabytes of video RAM. Now the first test is pretty simple. All we're going to be doing is importing the same exact footage. I used AirDrop to transfer it over to the 15-inch laptop, and go ahead and see how fast it can generate thumbnails, see how fast it can render it out, just so we can use it inside of iMovie. Go ahead and edit it. And it looks like the 15-inch MacBook Pro completely sweeps the floor with the 13-inch MacBook Pro. So right here, all we're doing is adding some effects to both clips. They're both exactly the same effects, same filters, same picture-in-picture, all that. So this is going to make it as easy as possible to calculate the export times. So right now we're exporting. We're going to export with QuickTime, mess with some settings, and export in 1080p. And we're going to see which one can beat each other. Remember that the 13-inch MacBook Pro has a solid-state drive, whereas the 15-inch MacBook Pro has a 5400 RPM, 750 gigabyte hard drive. So let's go ahead and let's see who wins. So the 15-inch MacBook Pro absolutely destroyed the 13-inch MacBook Pro in this render test. It's not surprising because it has a lot better CPU as well as a lot better graphics card. But other than that, the 13-inch MacBook Pro had about 33 minutes left in rendering. So it's not surprising, even though the MacBook Pro on the left had a solid-state drive, whereas the 15-inch MacBook Pro had a 5400 RPM drive. So the last test we're going to be doing is a little bit unconventional. I like to call it a video conversion speed test. Now what we're going to be doing is taking the same clip we edited and rendered out in iMovie, and we're going to be converting it from .mov to .avi, and as you may know, they are very computer and very processor heavy files. So we're going to be comparing which one can convert faster, and of course it's going to be the 15-inch MacBook Pro because it's got better graphics and a better CPU, but we're just going to see how much faster it can go ahead and process that. Now again, this is probably sounding a little bit repetitive, but the 15-inch MacBook Pro completely swept the floor with the 13-inch MacBook Pro again, whereas the 13-inch MacBook Pro is about 18% done, whereas the 15-inch MacBook Pro completely finished. So that's it for my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the stress test of the graphics. If you like this video, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. And if you would like, you can watch some more tests I did. Those are more CPU heavy and more hard drive heavy. There's a video right there for that. And again, if you like this video and if you want to get to know me or anything, you can follow me on Twitter. You can circle me on Google+, any of that stuff. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Alright guys, see you later.